Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, for you regular viewers that watch my videos on a regular basis and you watch my pen haul videos, you would have seen this pen in a recent pen haul, as you can see it there. As always with these pens, a little bit tired, but there we go. And here is the pen after we've restored it. An absolutely gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. What we've got for you here is a Stevens number 56 fountain pen. Let's take you straight to the barrel imprint there, so you can see it says Stevens number 56, and then underneath made in England, and then just to the bottom there we've got, I think it's a pattern applied for or whatever, so you got a lovely clear imprint, as you can see there. So we've got a Stevens number 56 fountain pen. This pen I'm dating from around about the 1930s, sort of early 1940s, and it's what we term as a stud filler. Okay, we'll show you that in a moment. But the pen, as I say, is the Stevens number 56. Now, who made Stevens fountain pens? Now, as far as I'm concerned, I believe they came from, well, the Summit Pen Company family of pens. And Summit were made in the early days by Lang and Company Limited in Liverpool. So I think this pen was made by Lang and Company Limited. So yeah, it's at that period where sort of pen makers made pens for other people, etc., made them for retailers, other companies, etc. But yeah, I'm saying this pen was made by Lang and Company Limited around 1930s, 1940s. As I said, a gorgeous, handsome pen. You can see it's got a bit of a chasing pattern on the pen itself in this black. Now, this is the number 56. There are similar pens, which I believe were the number 70. Sorry, no, this is the 56. There were similar pens, number 76s, and the difference being they had cap bands. Also, as we said, this one being a chase black version, they came in numerous very attractive marbling colours. Okay, so this one, as you can see, as we've mentioned, in this lovely black chase pattern, comes with chrome plated clip, and it's a ball clip, as you can see there, with the word Stevens on the clip itself. As always, some of these pens have got sort of discolouring to the top there, and also in this particular case a little bit to the blind cap here, which we've managed to polish out. Now, it's a lovely size pen, capped, it's around about 130 millimeters. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 12 millimeters in diameter. Now let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you some of the customary twirls, different angles, so you can see the pen. As I say, it's come out absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely, handsome pen in full working order. We've put a new sack in the pen. There's the section. You can see quite a small section, and in this particular case it actually has, yeah, you know, a rather small nib for the size of the pen, but the nib itself, you can see it reads Stevens, warranted, 14 carat, and then to the bottom there it's the correct nib because it says 56. Okay, there's a sideways view, there's the feed, sort of, yeah, quite a standard, what we term as a ladder feed for this particular period. As always, nice and clean. A lovely size pen. even with my large hands, it's a very comfortable pen to hold. Now, as we said a little bit earlier, it's what they termed of the period as a stud filler. Some people will know it as what we termed as a button filler. The difference being it's slightly different to what we know as a button filler, because it's got a blind cap here, and most button fill pens, what we tend to do is unscrew the blind cap, remove it, and we have a button inside. In this case, for me personally, I think it's a lovely design pen, a lovely engineered pen, because what we do, we simply unscrew the blind cap, and then look at that, we just simply press down on the blind cap. Now, how does the pen work inside? Well, how it works is this. As you can see, we've got a springy pressure bar inside. Now that pressure bar then sits inside the hole of the stud filling unit. That then goes into the end of the barrel, and then you have it like so. Okay, so that's how it works inside. How the pen works in reality is that we unscrew the blind cap as we've done there. We dip the nib and a little bit of the section in the nib in the ink. There we go. I'm sure you could hear that sort of gurgling, bubbling, which means everything is working perfectly, hopefully. We then just simply screw back the blind cap. We bring on our paper, and let's see how the pen writes. As always, it's the first time we've tested it, so what you're going to see is what I see. So what we have is a Stevens number 56. As we said, this is a stud filler, and some people will know it as a button filler, dating it from 1930s maybe through to 1940s, and made in England. As we said a little bit earlier, I believe it's made by the Lang Company Limited, who made pens of that particular period. Writing very nicely indeed, lovely and smooth. There's no flex to the nib, it's quite a stiff nib, but writing very nicely indeed. Look at that. So I would say writing, I don't know, I would say with a medium nib, lovely and smooth writer, very nice indeed. So let's pop the cap back on, we'll flush it out, clean it, and we'll try and find a new home for this gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. Okay, there's the imprint again for you. You can see this slight chasing. As we said, a chrome clip to the top, ball clip, a lovely, handsome fountain pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, press that thumbs up to show that you enjoyed the video. Yeah, and don't forget, wherever you are, please stay safe, especially our friends in the Ukraine. Slava Ukraini. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.